Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. We take a look at the 4-hour chart here, just have a look at the bigger picture. That hasn't changed at all for various months. So we still have a situation in which MATIC rallied in a wave 1 into the August highs. That's at least the primary scenario. Then came down in an A wave, moved up in a B wave, and is now coming down in a C wave. That could be over, or it could get one more low. That will depend now on the relevant support levels. As long as they are holding, and we're talking about which one needs to hold, as long as they're holding, the focus could be on higher. Just be aware that my confidence in direct upside is not very high. So this is not a high confidence pattern that we're looking at here from a bullish point of view. But nevertheless, we are tracking it and take a look. So first of all, you need to understand that, we came into this trend reversal area in June. It reversed, it worked, but the move to the upside is not impulsive. It's corrective. It has similar characteristics to what it did here. Okay, so even though this didn't make a new low, but this was corrective and was part of a larger corrective wave. And they can always extend their corrections higher, right? But what we are looking at, what we are interested in identifying the pattern that will lead to a long-lasting increase. So because everything else can just easily break down again, and it's just not the altcoin market at the moment that is super attractive. But price came down into this region, reversed, and it's now coming down, basically retracing, and that gives us the opportunity to track relevant support levels. So let's take a look at that, make it a little bit larger. What you need to understand, this is the important support area here. It goes down all the way, well, first of all, to 48.5 cents. Ideally, I don't want to see a sustained break below 48.5 cents. If we get it, then 41 cents will be relevant. Below 41 cents, I see a break below the previous bear market low. So it could take it below 30 cents. That would not be good. So in all, honestly, whatever it's doing, it needs to hold the 41 cent level. I don't want to break below that level. Which doesn't mean it couldn't make another low below the 10th of June low. It certainly can. It just needs to make sure that it holds 41 cents. So looking at the imminent structure here, I'm tracking either a yellow, so I'm tracking the yellow wave count. That's the bullish scenario. Rallied in a wave 1, A wave, another massively overshooting B wave, comes down in the C wave. That could surely get another low. Don't know if it's gonna get one. It certainly hasn't given us any strong indication that it's planning to rally already. It could do, because it broke above the trend line, and then the next target would be 79.8 cents, and could even go higher. I just don't have high confidence into it at this stage, but it doesn't seem like it wants to easily break down again. But even if it comes down lower, as long as it's holding 55.3 cents, it should be able to complete this 1-2 structure and rally in a third wave later. So for me, relevant micro support is 55.3 cents. Below that level, this yellow 1-2 setup cannot be defended. And I would rather then look at the white wave count, which would lead to another low, but I would still count it bullish in the bigger picture. It would just reset this wave 2. Yeah, so it's not necessarily bearish if it makes one more low. It will only really go bearish with a sustained break below 48.5 cents, and that would involve likely a break below 41 cents as well. So potentially looking at higher, currently exploring if we're getting a trend reversal in here. Remember what we looked at previously. I think we saw bullish divergences on this chart. So let's see, actually, I need to do the RSI. We're on the 4-hour. Yeah, we saw, bullish divergences. So that typically indicates that a turnaround is happening, something at least. Yeah, I mean, it did come down quite dramatically. What could happen if it makes one more low? We could still potentially see a bullish divergence on the 4-hour chart, yeah. It might make another higher low. So just observing that. It could be it's going already now, or one more low in this particular setup. It's just not a high confidence setup, okay? It's just that this still looks to me like a 3-wave move, like some kind of a flat structure in a wave 4. When can we be more confident that it's going up? That would be a break above the 50% retracement level of the wave 3. And here we deal with 72.4 cents. So I can give you a potential breakout point. In my opinion, a sustained break above 72.4 cents would make it rally to 79 or 80 cents. And from then it can move higher if it breaks through that level as well. So that's my update about MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.